class, in this lesson, we're going to discuss about universal sets, subsets, null sets, and cardinality of sets. But before that, we're going to have an activity first. So halimbawa daw, we are given set U. Ang elements ni set U are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, kag 10. Okay, then we're going to find the value of number 1, the set of odd numbers. Pangitaon naton ang values ng set of odd numbers from our given set U. So, when we say odd numbers, we all know that ang si odd numbers class nag-uumpisa sa 1 followed by 3. Anong sunod? 5. Sunod is 7. Sunod is 9. Okay. So therefore, ang aton nga set of odd numbers from the given set U are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, next, number 2. Number 2, again to find daw set of all factors of 10. Still, from our given naton siya kwaon or sa values ng aton nga U. Okay, and what are the factors of 10? Or all factors of 10. So, when I say factors of 10, ibig sabihin, those are numbers na kung i-multiply mo, ang answer niya is equal to 10. Okay. So, from our given, so if i-multiply ta si 1 kay 10, ang iya nga answer will be equal to 10, of course. Okay, what else? Ano pa kaya ang factors ni 10? So, we have also 2 times 5, ang result niya sina class is still equal to 10. Okay. So, ibig sabihin gali, we have 4 elements. Okay, ang factors ng aton nga 10 and ano to sila nga numbers. So, we have 1, 2, 5, kag 10. Okay, next, number 3. So, the set of multiples of 4 daw kuno. So, we're going to find this one or multiples of 4 sa aton nga given set U. Okay, and what are the multiples of 4? So, we all know that yung si multiples of 4, nag-uumpisa syempre sa 4. Okay, followed by 8. So, therefore, ang multiples of 4 naton are 4 and 8. Okay. So, based diri sa aton nga ginhimo nga sa aton nga first activity class, so ano gali ang rule ni U diri? So, si U diri or given set U represents our universal set. Okay, we're going to discuss this later kung ano ba si universal set. So, as we all know that ang set of odd numbers, set of all factors of 10, kag set of multiples of 4 class, halina siya or was taken dili sa aton nga universal set. Okay, with the elements of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Part na sila sa aton nga set U. Si odd numbers, si all factors of 10, kag si multiples of 4. Kay dira naton gikuha ang ila nga value. And how about ang set of odd numbers, set of all factors of 10, and set of multiples of 4? So, we're going to discuss it again later. Ang tawag sa ila are all subsets of our universal sets. Okay. So, later class, mabalaan naton kung ano ba ang definition ng universal set, as well as ano ba ang definitions ni subset. Okay. So, let's proceed. So, what is a universal set? Okay. So, ari siya. So, universal set, the universal set U is the set that contains all objects under consideration. So, ano ba itong examples ng aton nga universal set? Okay, so examples niya are, okay, number 1, set U contains the set of whole numbers. So, by the way, class, ang symbol gali isang aton universal set is U, this one. So, set U contains a set of whole numbers. So, when I say whole number class, these are numbers which always starts from 0, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Ang iya sina nga value is endless or wala sang katapusan. So, this is an example of universal set. Okay, next, number 2. Okay. So, ano pa ang examples ng ating universal set? We have, okay, set U contains the set of all letters of the English alphabet. So, ano ba tong letters or tanan nga letters sa English alphabet? So, our U or set U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, hasta sa X, Y, Z. Okay, so take note, it contains all letters in our English alphabet. So this is still an example of a universal set. Okay, next. Number 3. So number 3, set U contains the set of days of the week. And ano tong mga days sa week? So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is still an example of our universal set. Okay? So let's proceed. How about subsets class? Ano naman ang ginatawag nga subsets? Okay, so when I say subsets daw, so given any two sets A and B, if every element in A is also an element in B, then A is a subset of B. And the symbol, this one, ang pagbasa sini is read as A is a subset of B. So, ibig sabihin gali, ang symbol ng subset naton is amo ni siya. So, example. Okay. Halimbawa, if the value of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and the value of our B is equal to 1, 2, 3, so we can say that si A daw class is a subset of B. Nga aman, ano ang dahilan? Since kung tanawon naton, si A, mayara siya sang value nga 1, si B mayara man sang 1. Si A mayara siya sang element nga 2, si B mayara man siya sang element nga 2. Si A meron siya sang element nga 3, the same thing si B meron siya sang element nga 3. So take note, tanan daw, every element in A is also an element of B. Kaya, si A is a subset of B. Okay. So that is the definition of subset. Okay. Next. Example. Okay. Example number 2. Okay. So, supposing we are given another example. So, halimbawa, si B, ang element niya is C, A, R, and C, A, ang elements niya are A, R, and C. Okay. So, still, in this example, kung tanawon naton, tanan nga element ni A, ara kay B. Since si A, meron siya sang element nga A, and si B meron sang element ng A. Si A meron siya sang element ng R, si B meron siya sang element ng R. The same thing. Si A meron siya sang element ng C, si B meron siya sang element ng C. So therefore, we can say that si A is a subset of B. Okay. So that is another example of a subset. So halimbawa naman class, what if we are given the same example? So, halimbawa, excuse me. So, if we are given, okay, this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, elements ni B are 1, 2, 3. Kay A naman daw, ang elements niya are 2, 3, 5. Okay. So, supposing we are given this kind of example. So, as we see here, there is sa aton nga value, ang element ni A includes 2. So, si B, meron siya sang element nga 2. Tapos, si A meron siya sang element nga 3, si B meron siya sang element nga 3. But, kung tanawon naton, si A meron siya sang element nga 5, si B, wala siya sang element nga 5. So, therefore, we can say that, okay, si A is not a subset of B. Nga aman, since may ara si A sang element nga wala sa kay B. Kaya, A is not a subset of B. Okay, nag-gets na class kung ano ibig sabihin sang subset. Okay, so let's proceed. So, okay. So another statement, every set is a subset of itself and empty set is also a subset of every set. So, halimbawa, if we are given the value of set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, ang hambalabi diri class, every set is a subset of itself. So, ibig sabihin, sa set A, ang iya daw nga sarili is still a subset of itself. So, si 1, 2, 3, okay, another A or si A is a subset of itself. Okay, kay based there is the definition, every set is a subset of itself. Okay, next. An empty set daw is also a subset of every set. Okay, later we're going to have this example sa aton nga activity. Okay. So, examples. So, supposing we are given set R, ang elements ni set R includes 1 and 2. Okay, and we use this formula 2 raised to the power of n. Okay, this is our formula, okay, to find the possible subset of set R. Okay, so, ano kaya ang values ng n? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng n? So, when I say n refers to the number of elements, okay, refers to the number of elements of the given set. So, in this case, as we see, si R meron siya sang dua ka elements. Ano pa tong elements ni R? So, we have 1 and 2. So, therefore, ang values ng aton n plus is equal to 2. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, so 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 2. Dinhali ng 2. Ang 2, halina siya sa values ng aton nga n. So, which refers to the elements of our R. Okay, so ano ibig sabihin sang 2 raised to the power of 2? Ibig sabihin sini, we simply multiply 2 sa iya nga sarili. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin gali class, we have 4 possible subsets. 4 possible subsets. Si R, meron siya sang 4 ka possible subsets. Okay, and the possible subsets are, okay, so first we're going to make a table. So, ang hambal dito kaina, every set daw is a subset of itself. So, kung tanawon ta diri, si set R, meron siya sang dalawa ka element. So, we're going to start from with 2 elements. Ano ba tong dalawa ka elements? Of course, itong element nga ara kay R or ang iya nga sarili. So, ano to siya? So, we have 1 and 2. Okay, next, after sang 2 elements, ano pa itong possible niya nga subset? We have 1 element. Okay. And ano to na belong sa 1 element? Dali lang yapon kita magkuha sa element ni set R. We have 1 and 2. Okay, next. Okay. We have also zero elements. So, dito kaina sa definition class, so an empty set daw is a subset of every set. So, ibig sabihin, okay, empty set or null set is a subset of our set. Okay, so ano ba tong aton nga four possible subsets ng set R? We have, okay, 1 and 2. What else? We have 1, we have 2, we have empty or null set. So, miyara kita sang apat nga subsets ng R. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, number 2, example, number 2. So, si set O, meron siya sang elements nga red, blue, and yellow. So, if we're going to use the same formula, 2 raised to the power of n, ang value sang n naton class includes, okay, atong element ni set O. So, pila ba tong element ni set O? We have 1, 2, 3. So, miyara kita sang 3 elements. So, therefore, our n is equal to 3. So, isubstitute lang natin tong n, islanta siya sa 3. Ano ang sunod? Okay, so, ibig sabihin sa 2 raised to the power of 3, ibig sabihin daw, hindi mo i-multiply si 2 sa 3 or sa exponent. Okay, ang ibig sabihin sa i-multiply mo daw si 2, katatlo sa iya nga sarili. 2 times 2 times 2 will give us the value of 8. So, ibig sabihin gali, we have 8 possible subsets. Okay. So, ibalhin ko lang class sa our n is equal to 3. Okay. So, meron daw kita sa 8 possible subsets. Ano tong 8 possible subsets? Okay, first, we're going to have a table. So, based ito sa definition ng subset daw class, every set is a subset of itself. So, ibig sabihin, since tatlo man ang iyang element ni set O, so ang red, blue, and yellow, ibig sabihin, meron kita sa 3 elements. Okay, ano tong 3 elements? It includes, okay, simply the elements of set O, the red, blue, and yellow. Okay, ano ang sunod sa 3 elements? Okay, we have 2 elements. Ano ba tong 2 elements? It includes red, blue, and yellow. Okay. Okay, dalawa lang syempre ka color ang aton nga isulat. Okay, ano sunod? We have red and yellow. Or pwede man na siya class baliktad doon. Pwede man siya nga yellow, red, blue, red. Okay, in any order. So, but still, ang value nila is the same. Iski baliktad pa na siya. And ang last is blue-yellow or pwede man siya yellow-blue. Okay. The same na nagyapon ang ilang value, miski baliktadon mo na siya. After sang 2 elements, we have also 1 element. Ano ba itong under sa 1 element? So we have red, blue, and yellow. Okay. And last, we have 0 element. Ano itong nabilong sa 0 element? So, syempre, atong empty set or null set, since they are always a part of or subset of every set. So, kung bilangon naton, so ang possible subsets ng set O, so we have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So, nakuha ta na itong 8 possible subsets ng aton nga set O. Okay? So, next. Okay. So, last example, si set S. Okay. So, we're going to find the possible subset of set S. Okay. So, we're going to use the same formula to raise to the power of n. Ano kaya itong values ng n naton? So, the same thing. Bilangon lang natin kung pila tong element ni set S. So, ang element ni set S, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ibig sabihin, our n is equal to 4. Okay. So, isubstitute lang natin ang n, islanta siya sang 4. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin sa 2 raised to 4? As I've said kaina, hindi mo i-multiply si 2 sa 4. Instead, i-multiply mo si 2 kaapat sa iya nga sarili. So, ibig sabihin sini, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. So, ibig sabihin gali, si set S, meron siya sang 16 possible subsets. Okay, wait lang. I'm going to transfer this first sa taas class para makita nyo lang gyapon. Okay, so first we're going to make a table. So liwaton ta, every set is a subset of itself. So balanta nga si set S, mayara siya sang apat ka possible, mayara siya sang apat ka elements. So therefore, sa first naton nga, ang ibutan naton diri is 4 elements. And ano tong under sa set S nga 4 elements? So we have 3, 6, 9, kag 12. Okay. So pwede man na siya class baliktad doon ha. Pwede man siya in any order ni siya. But still ang value niya miski baliktad doon man na siya is still the same. Okay, next we have 3 elements. Ano tong under sa 3 elements? So we have 3, 6, 9. What else? Or pwede man siya baliktado, 9, 6, 3, or 6, 3, 9. Okay, what else? 3, 6, 12. What else? 3, 9, 12. Okay, ano pa kaya? 6, 9, 12. Okay. So after that, we have 2 elements. Ano tong numbering under there sa 2 elements? So we have 3, 6. What else? We have 3, 9, 3, 12, 6, 9. Okay. Kag 6, 12. And last, 9, 12. Okay, after that, we have also 1 element. Ano tong nabilang sa 1 element? So we have 3, 6, 9, kag 12. And last, okay, 0 element. Ano tong under sa kay 0 element? So we have the empty or null set. Okay, this is a null set. And this is an empty set. Okay. So, kung bilangon naton kung tama ba ang aton nga answer, ay ang aton kaina nga sa formula, 16 ang possible subsets niya. So, kung bilangon ta siya, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay? So, amo na siya ang possible subset ni set S. Okay, let's proceed. Aton nga next topic. And our next topic is all about null set. So, when I say null set, okay, it refers to a set with no element. Wala na siya sa element class. It's an empty set or a null set. So, the symbol for empty set is, okay, this one, braces or amo ni siyang symbol. Okay? So, example, halimbawa, if you are given set T is the set of counting numbers between 1 and 2. Ano ba itong counting numbers between 1 and 2? So, we all know that's the counting numbers. So, ang counting numbers natin are or starts with 1 followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So, kung tanawin na natin, wala daw sang counting numbers nga ara sa tunga sang 1 kag 2. So, therefore, kay wala sa number nga under diri sa or ara sa tunga sang 1 kag 2. So, ang value sa aton T or set T is an empty set or a null set. Okay, next, number 2. Okay, set I is the set of months with 35 days. Okay, the same thing class. Ang answer ta diri sa set I is still an empty set or a null set. Since bala naton nga ang months mayara lang siya sang 30 days, 31, ano pa, kung February, 28, or kung leap year, 29 days, under ni siya sa February. Pero wala kita sa months ni Mira sang 35 days. So therefore, ang ato niya answer diri is an empty or a null set. Okay, wala kita sa elements ni under sa ila. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, set M daw is a set of cars with 60 doors. So, balanta lang gihapon class nga wala sang car nga mayara sang 60 doors. So, therefore, ang value sang M naton is still an empty or a null set, this one. Wala siya sang element. Okay, kaya wala sang salakyan or wala sang car nga mayara sang 60 nga doors. Okay, next. Okay. So, ang next topic natin is all about cardinality of sets. Okay. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng cardinality of sets? The cardinal number of set A, denoted by cardinality of set A, is the number of elements in set A. Okay. Number of elements in set A, thus, in A, is equal to, ang elements in set A includes 1, 3, 5, and 7. So therefore, the cardinality of set A is equal to 4 because set A contains 4 elements. So, ibig sabihin kaya, when I say cardinality of sets, this simply refers to as the number of elements of the given set. Elements of the given set. So, isulat ko lang diri para klaro sa inyo. So, sa set A daw, ang iyang elements are 1, 3, 5, 7. So, since ang cardinality of sets daw nag-refer sa number of elements ng given set, so bilangon ta lang, pila ba tong elements nga ra kay A? So, we have 1, sunod 2, 3, 4. So, mayara siya sang 4 ka elements. So, therefore, ang cardinality daw sa set A, by the way, class, ang symbols ng cardinality is equal to 4. Okay? So, next. Okay, next example. Okay. Find the cardinality of the following sets. Okay, number 1. Set D is a set of vowels in English alphabet. So, ano ba itong vowels sa English alphabet? So, we all know that itong vowels sa English alphabet includes A, E, I, O, U. So, kung i-list down natin itong vowels sa English alphabet, amin siyang iya nga elements. Kung bilangon ni siya natin class, kaya ginastoryahan ta is cardinality or refers to the number of elements ng given set, elements of the given set. Okay. So, kung bilangon ta ni siya, so ang value sang D, ang elements niya includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang aton cardinality of set D is equal to 5. Okay, next. Okay, number 2. Set R is the set of letters in the word difficulty. Okay. So, kung i-list down natin class ang elements ng set R, kung i-list down natin yung difficulty, ano ba itong letters nga under diri? So, we're going to start from D. Ano sunod? I. Ano ang sunod? F. Okay. So, hindi ta na ulito ng F since sa aton is the definition is set. Okay. You don't need, ang aton nga letter or any element should be listed once. Hindi siya pwede uliton. So, therefore, since dalawang F, isa lang ibutang mo. The same thing, duwa ng I ta diri. So, isa lang ang ibutang ta. Okay. Followed by C, sunod. U, sunod, L, sunod, T, and Y. Okay. So, ang mula na siya ang elements ng aton nga set R. Okay. So, Kung bilangon na siya natin, pila man na siya kabilog. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ibig sabihin, sa set R gali, niyara siya sa 8 ka elements since we are talking about cardinality. Okay, next. Okay, number 3. Set M is a set of odd numbers between, kulang na siya class ha, 1 and 3. Okay. So, kung tanawon ta diri class, okay, ano ba tong odd numbers naton? Ang odd numbers naton are numbers starts with 1, sunod 3, sunod 5, 7, 9, and so on. So, kung tanawon naton, kung ginapangita atang odd number nga ara sa tunga asang 1 kag 3, so wala kita sa answer dira. Since wala kita sang odd number sa tunga asang 1 kag 3. So therefore, ang answer ta dira is simply an empty set or null set. But take note, we are asked to find the cardinality. Kung cardinality ng istoryahan ta, we are asked to find the number of elements sa given set. Tiki wala man na sang elements dira sa aton set. So therefore, ang answer naton is 0. So ang cardinality of set M daw is equal to 0. Okay? So, let's answer. Okay, so, number 1, find the cardinality of the following sets. Okay, number 1, halimbawa, set A is a set of days in a week. Pila ba itong days sa week? Pila kaya ang elements sa to class? So, answer natin is 7. Since we have 7 days in a week. So, ang cardinality of set A is equal to 7. Okay, next. Number 2, set B is a set of letters in the word recognition. Okay, wait. Okay. Since we asked to find the letters in the word recognition, so para hindi kita budlayan, kakuha sa cardinality of set B, first we need to list down ang elements ng recognition. So, into write set B, ang elements ng set B includes R, E, C, O, G, N, I, and T. Okay, hindi ta na uliton ang I since ara na siya dalawang I kag ang N duwa man. So, malami siyang iyang value. So, kung binangon ta na siya, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, therefore, ang cardinality sa set B class is equal to 8. So, ibig sabihin, 8 gali ang cardinality of set B. Okay? Next, number 3. The set C daw is the set of even numbers less than 2. So, kung tanawon ta, ano ganitong even numbers? So, we all know that even numbers, nag-umpisa siya sa 2, sunod 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Pero, kaya pamangkot ni Abi less than 2. Mas nubo siya sa 2. Ang atong even number, nag-umpisa siya sa 2. So, therefore, wala sa number na less than 2 ng even number. So, our answer is, hindi na siya 1 plus ha, ang answer ta is 0. Since the value of C is an empty or a null set. Okay. So, number 4, set D is the set of odd numbers between 3 and 9. Okay, ano ba itong odd numbers? Nasa tunga sa 3 kag 9. Okay, so if we're going to list down the elements of set D, it includes 5 and 7. So, amo ni siya tong duwa ka number or odd number nga sa tong asang 3 kag 9. So, therefore, ang cardinality of set D is equal to 2. Ari siyang answer ta. Okay? Next, set E is a set of factors of 12. So, ano ba tong factors ni 12? So, ang factors ni 12 includes 1 times 12. What else? 2 times 6. Ano pa to? We have 3 times 4. Okay, wala na sang ibang factors ang 12. Pamula ni siya. So, ibig sabihin, pila ni siya tanan class. So, bilangon ta lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, si set E, miyara siya sang 6 cardinality. Or cardinality of set E is equal to 6 since si set E, miyara siya sang anong ka-factor ang 12. Okay? So, to sum it up, let us complete the statements. Choose your answer from the box which completes the statements below. Okay, number 1, a set with no elements is an empty set or, okay, ang answer to diri is a null set, of course. Okay, next, number 2, the number of elements in the set refers to, okay, pag ginastoryahan ta gani ang number of elements, okay, so, sabihin sina it refers to a cardinality of set. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. Set the U is the set that contains all objects under consideration. Ang answer to the class is a universal set. Okay, number 4. Every element in A is also an element in B. Then A is a subset of B. Okay. And last, the symbol for an empty set or null set is, okay, this one, braces, or this symbol. Okay. So, true or false, given the sets below, write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. So, write your number in space provided before the number. So, number 1, the cardinality of set G is 8. So, diri kita magtanaw class. Is it true or false ang answer to diri? Okay, so si set G, ari ang aton nga set G. So, ano ba tong elements ng set G? So, ang elements niya includes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, kung bilangan ta ni siya, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mera kita sang 8 nga cardinality. So, therefore, ang answer to diri is true. Since walo ang elements ng set G. Okay, number 2. 5, 15, 25 is a subset of set B. Ari ang aton set B. And elements, subset daw, sa set B ang given nga set. So, kung tanong ta diri, mera kita sang 5, mera man kita sang 15 diri, mera man kita sang 25. So, sabihin, tanan nga elements sa aton nga set diri sa number 2, para siya sa set B. So, therefore, subset siya sa set B. So, ang answer ta is still true. Okay, last, number 3, 8 is a subset of set L. Okay, ari ang set L naton. So, kung tanawon ta diri, ang elements in set L includes 3, 6, 9, and 12. So, kung tanawon ta, wala sa values ng 8 diri. So, therefore, si 8 hindi siya subset sa L. So, answer to dira is false. Okay? So, mula na siya tanan class. So, that will be all. Thank you and keep safe. Okay, good day, class.